Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today I have a foil haul for you guys. As you guys can see here, I can't even fit all of it in a shot. So I have a whole bunch of nail foils that we are going to be looking at today, and I believe I got all of these on AliExpress or Amazon. And I watched Isabel May Nails video, and she put them in like a little photo organizer, and I really wanted to do that with all of my new foils that I purchased, so I did pick up one of those that she had in her video. So I'm going to show you guys how I want to store them. So I love nail foils. They're very easy, and if you're not really good at nail art, this is like the best and fast way to do that on your clients. You can just put some nail glue on or some nail foil glue on, and boom, they have like flowers or whatever the case may be. They have Christmas ones, they have Easter ones, they have Valentine's Day ones, they have like nail foils for everything, and I think you guys already know that. So without any further ado, we're going to get right into this video. I wanted to show you guys how this book looked with all my forms in there. So I absolutely hate this. Like, look how thick it is. So I'm going to put these forms in here the right way. As you guys can see, I forgot that I had like all these extras on top. So I'm going to find another way to put these forms in here so that they just like lay flat and they don't, they don't look like this. Nobody wants that in their nail studio. So I just thought to give you guys a little heads up, and sorry about my nail. I'm doing like a little review on this nail and I want to see how long it lasts, and I took the rest of them off. So that's why it looks crazy, but hey, don't judge me. It's for you guys. So anyway, I love all of my forms, but this is just, that's not cute. So we're going to change it and I will show you guys my end results. Okay, you guys, I'm back with the side view. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God, I'm so freaking happy. Like, look how skinny it is. It just looks like I don't even have any foils in here. I love it. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look at this and what I did. So I have a few that I left out that I'm going to show you guys what I did to get my book like super flat and super skinny. I don't even need rubber bands or nothing. I'm so excited how it came out. So stay tuned. So this is the final look, you guys. This is how everything turned out. And I'm not expecting you guys to do the same thing I did. It did take me a really long time to do it, but I really wanted something where my clients can see all my nail foils and I can see all of them. So, you know, just take it with a grain of salt. I'm not saying that anybody has to do the same thing I did because it was very time consuming. But with this quarantine, you know, obviously I had the time to do it. So I just thought to get it out of the way and get it done. And I really love my end results here. I think it came out beautiful. That's what I envisioned when I bought it. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!